if you got a deal that you need to close right now, if you got a deal that needs to close in order for your life to be good, or if you've got a deal that if it doesn't close, your life is going to be bad, you don't have enough deals. I'm going to repeat that. Okay? Stop trying to close the 4 things that will make or break your career and go get 40 more so that when one of those doesn't close, you're like, good. Good. Because I had no freaking clue how we were even going to handle all this business, right? Spend most of your time creating new business and then use systematic, unemotional follow-up, especially when you attach that follow-up to the outcome they're trying to achieve. Hey Alex, it's Matt here with Matt's Medical, calling to see if it makes sense to add the hormone replacement therapy to your offerings for your patients so we can help get you to that $40 million threshold that you're trying to get to in 2024. I'm on my mobile. Now all of a sudden like, yes, I forgot. I want to get to that number in 2024, and giving hormone replacement therapy to my patients is going to help me get there. Okay, let me call that Alex guy back. But if you just call and say, hey, I haven't seen anything on the contract and I'm just seeing, you remind them of all the good stuff. Are you a sales professional or business owner that wants to double your income in the next 60 days? I've helped thousands of sales professionals and business owners double or even triple their income in 60 days or less, and I can do the same for you. Through our interactive video coaching platform and live sales coaching with me twice a week, people that have access to Easton University sales coaching have sold $3.47 billion. Yeah, that's billion with a B in the last 10 months alone, and I can do the same for you. So if you want to increase your sales, if you want to explode your income, you do that by learning a simple, straightforward sales process that has you covered from prospecting to close. And that's what we built just for you. And that's what we're doing for people and business owners just like you that are experiencing massive success right here, right now. So what are you waiting for? The right sales process with the right sales coach can change everything for you. The time is now. So click the link. Let's get started. I want to help you today.